Hi everybody, today I'm out and about in Genoa, northern Italy. It's a chilly 10 degrees, but that doesn't matter. This is going to be a great day to explore the city. So come and join me, let's take a look around. Hi everyone, today we're out and about in Pisa and you can see behind me the Tower of Pisa, so let's check it out. Not only is the Leaning Tower a big, magnificent sight, but the cathedral behind me also. It's a beautiful day here in Pisa. There's the cathedral, and the Tower of Pisa is actually a bell tower. It's been here, I think it's about 647 years, so it's pretty old. It leans, but it still stands, so not too bad. It's built entirely of marble. It's been a good day here so far, so I'll continue exploring. The tower's never going to fall down. There's too many people here to hold the power up with their hands. It's been a good day. Today, we're out and about with the Pope in Vatican Square.
La vita di quasi 100 persone. Affido al Signore tutte le vittime, feriti, numerosi sfolati e quanti soffrono per questi drammi. E quanto sono animati da buona volontà, moltiplicare gli sforzi nello spirito del documento di Abu Dhabi sulla fratellanza umana, per promuovere il dialogo interreligioso e la concordia. Rivolgo un cordiale benvenuto ai pellegrini di lingua italiana.
It's been a good day so far here in Vatican Square.
Va benissimo, dai, ciao, 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 ciao.
Here we are at the Colosseum. Finally, my dream has come true of visiting this place.
Pourquoi juste regarder que la pierre?
The princess and I had an amazing time in Italy, but unfortunately it was only a short trip. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.